Good day to all, and if you're joining us for the first time, please kindly go hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that whenever we post again you'll get notified. So I've got a little story here concerning this guy, this little young rich guy or man. So as you can see in the video, he is well and is with his wife, but things are not clear for some people, as some people are saying the little guy is waking up and dying, which is scary for others and breathtaking for others. But as we can see from the footage, he is happy with his wife. We go again. After some time, we heard that he is now ill, and after some time again, he is with other women partying and spending money. But guys, tell us what you think about this little dude. Moving on with Maona. Maona does a lot of stuff on social media, but today I've brought these pictures which have been trending on the internet. Tell us what you think, and I would like to let. So here is what people were saying. As you know, we bring the news to you guys. So other people were saying, oh, that's interesting. And some people were saying, but still niggas be getting some snacks outside. Yo, there are some of the comments, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share to our channel so that you get notified whenever we post or upload another video. See you later.